Hello everyone, it's Fiona again. I just wanted to come on and show you my latest printable kit, and it is a Paris themed kit. It's called Parisienne Dream, and it actually comes in a full size sheets, or it also comes in traveller's notebook size. So I have actually printed it in the traveller's notebook size. That's why you've got the white on the edge of the pages. So I'll cut those off and then fold them in half, and then the pages will measure 4 1/4 by 8 1/4. So, and I've printed most of my pages actually onto coffee dyed paper, so they are a little bit more vintagey looking, because that's just how I like to do it in my journal. So just to show you the difference, I've printed this one onto some white paper as well, so you can sort of see the difference in the brightness of the colours there. Okay, so we've got this page, and obviously the pages in the full kit do have extra sort of images like further out. They're sort of cut off a little bit in the traveller's notebook size, but this is what you get. And in the listing you can see I've got photos of all the pages, so you'll be able to see. So I'll put the listing below the video. And then this one, beautiful flowers and vintage receipts and butterfly on that one. And then some roses. And I haven't printed out all of them. Some of them are just backing papers, which are sort of like a patterned background in these sort of colours, pink and blues and creams, and just with some writing on them. That's another one. And this one. This one. And this one is a vintage map of France. Or is it Paris? Paris, sorry. That page. And then you get quite a few pages of ephemera. This one I tried printing onto coffee dyed cardstock, but it didn't go through very well because the page wasn't very flat, so I've actually reprinted it onto some plain cardstock. So I'll show you that in a minute. So you get, first of all, you do get these two envelopes that we made the other day in our freebies. You get these. You don't get these embellishments because these were in my Facebook group as a free printable. They're what do you call it? Paperclip embellishment that we made. I made them in my last video if you want to check that out. But you get the envelopes and the little writing papers that go inside. And if you look at the paper on this envelope, that's one of the backing papers is similar to this one and also to this blue one. So you get both of those. And then these little coin envelopes and some tags and things. Then a large envelope there. And another one. And then you get some small fussy cuts. And this is the only page that of the ephemera that I printed onto cardstock, apart from the other cards that I showed you. The rest I've just printed onto ordinary printer paper. And then I've got these tall tags with some little hearts and butterflies and ovals. Then you get these tags. Then you get this sheet with the slanted pocket, which I did a video on how to put these together. And I've written it on here that you need to print it twice and glue it back to back, and then you can fold it up. And which means also, if you wanted to, you could glue the tags back to back as well. So that's that one. And then you get this page of 4 postcards which fit in the large envelopes. And then you've got these 2 library pockets with some tags, journal cards. And this one has some note paper, which you can just make a little notepad out of, some page tabs and some ephemera. And then this one has little ATC sized journal cards. And this one has one of those fold up little gift card envelopes with a card. And this is a belly band here. And then these are the cards printed out on my white cardstock. You just fold them in half and there's just like little cards and some little labels over here. So I will put the link to this kit below the video, both the full-sized one and the Traveller's Notebook one if you're interested. And I'm going to be making a Traveller's Notebook size journal out of this kit, and I might film some of my process. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.